Once you log in, maybe in your case it is showing the left side. So everybody able to use the know. Here is left side MATLAB drive and MATLAB online courses and my courses is there. So click on that my courses. Click on the my courses. So there is a like getting started. This is a, all courses are free. MATLAB, Andram, Simulink, machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement, image processing, signal processing, Simscape, state flow, and control design on Andram with Simulink. For example, if you are interested in like if you want to like maybe signal processing or image processing or maybe any other Simulink or Simrap. So basic fundamental is a MATLAB Andram. It is a prerequisite is there. So first you have to finish the MATLAB Andram. So once you complete the MATLAB Andram, then you know the basics, and next level you can go to the Simlink or machine learning and deep learning. Then depends on your area of interest. For example, if is who people are is the background of that EC, maybe they can go for the Simlink. After the Simlink, there is a signal processing or image processing or maybe deep learning, maybe a Simlink. This is a maybe your core set. If you are from electrical side, maybe they can interested on the Simscape and state flow, control design and with Simlink. These are the like interest of your things. So like each and every courses is a mandatory from that MATLAB and RAM courses. If is any doubt, yeah, please let me know. I can now, why? Because this is a starting stage. This is a certificate courses. If anybody have any doubt, yeah, please let me know. I hope everybody having your own account on your college name. Otherwise, if your college account, it is okay, okay. Otherwise, you have the personal Gmail ID or maybe personal email ID. Uh, my humble request is go to that again. Like again, I will tell you that if you don't have the account, how to create the account also I will tell you. So this is a like Mathos product page. Click here is the right side is the login is there. Click on the login. So here it is the like if you have already Mathos account, okay, click on here. You can enter your email ID and password. If you don't have the Mathos account, go to the create. If you know account, ask into the create account. Ashok sir, it is visible to my screen. My voice is clear.
Voice is clear, sir, but the screen is not visible.
Screen is visible on the
Yeah,
screen.
now it is visible, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Like just here is there like maybe I see like here your college ID is there. 1 minute. Just a minute. So for example, in your college, something Ashok sir is there. So you can see before of Ashok, I think Ashok sir like same similarly you have that. Maybe before in the name of Ashok, maybe you put your own name. I think Ashok sir, like everybody is having their like own account sir on the name of college.
No, those who are from SVC, they will have, sir. External participants, they have to have the general login only, sir.
Yeah, the general login, you can put your own email ID also, no problem. For example,
Yes.
in my case, I have the CH Ravinder, RAVIND Ravinder at the rate of yahoo.com. So this is my personal account. So you can go through like this also, it is no problem. You are able to access if you are Yahoo or Gmail or Edit mail, that is up to your wish. So that is also is possible. If in college name also, it is okay. So just you enter your email ID and location. You can enter anyways India. Like maybe you can put on the student. Okay, now. So then are you at least after 13 years older? Then you go for is a click. But in my case, already I have the account. For example, I'll put something different. So see, like is asking next level is a create. Once you create, then continue with this in current email. So put on the continuous in current email. That email went to your maybe what are the email ID you are given. It's went to that notification your email. So like if it is not received, then you put on that email verification once again. So once you'll get that account, then you're able to access that account same similarly. So similarly here I'm typing. Type your email ID and put password. That is up to you. You can put your own password. once you enter the password, then you have the Mathos account. So click here again in the right side of go for is a my account. Then if you have some license, maybe anyway in your college, if you're logging with your college domain, then it will show your college campus license number here. Then the license number and what is the license, everything is showing here. And come to the left side, click on the my course.